This is Jaman from Future Division. My this time video regarding about Selenium. So lot of people are asking about Selenium with beginner phase with advanced technology. I mean, who even don't know Selenium? If they see my video, hopefully they will be learn. If they follow the step by step, they will be learn Selenium very well, and it will be and with advanced technology. So watch my video and feel free to comment. So today is the first video. Today we got video regarding about how to create a Maven project, how to create the Maven project with Java. So uh, please take a look and follow my video step by steps. So who don't have IntelliJ, so please watch my video in my Future Division channel. There is a video about regarding our IntelliJ, how to download and how to use it. You can follow it, and who have it, so just follow my instruction. So I'm going to say create a new project, and I'm going to create the Maven project. Before that guys, who don't have Maven setup, and who don't have Java setup, so for them, for their reference, I will be put my comment section and for Maven setup and Java setup video, and please take a look. If you don't have it, please this video and you will be able to do that, and after that you can continue with this video. Thank you. So I'm going to the Maven project. So I'm not going to do anything else over here. 1.8, this looks good. And group ID. So group ID, I'm going to put that Selenium. Selenium for so I'm gonna follow this one, okay? The beginners video. Beginners, Selenium for beginners. So and artifact, I'm gonna keep same way. Selenium for beginners, project name, and finish. Boom. So you will see over here the Selenium for beginners Maven project is created. Over here you will be see something. If you don't have auto import section, enable auto import section. Okay, so now after we created Selenium, so you see a Selenium project for Maven project. When you open it, you will see over here src, which is the main, Java and resource, test, Java. Over here is the POM XML file, POM which is already open here, the POM XML file, group ID, which we did the Selenium for beginner, and artifact ID, group ID same, version. This is the by default you will be get it. And over here is the external library. This is the external library which is Java provided. You see the all Java jars. Very simple. Now we know how to create a Maven project. Again, now you know how to create a Maven project. So again, if you go, I'm gonna close it. If you go file, new, project, Maven, next, put the name, artifact ID, next. So you have to put the name. I'm just for testing purpose again, because I showed already, I'm not going to create it again. Test, next. So now project name test and project location. So over here the project location, I did not put the project location. You can provide the project example. You can provide, you want to put in the document, so you can put here document and create some here some folder, and you can borrow under the workspace, you can provide it. or create a folder. So now for that I did not create any folder. That was my mistake. I should create a folder, show you to how to organize to do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here. Look at the guys, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go here, and if you go here, and this is the default project, whatever they provided over here, Selenium for beginners. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, move to trust. So you're going to see over here my project is not available. So now after that I'm going to create a one folder here for under the document. So I'm going to create a document, new workspace. Okay, new workspace. So now again I'm going to create a one Maven project. So I'm going to close this one. I don't want any confusion. I'm going to go IntelliJ. Oh, sorry guys, this is not IntelliJ. I'm going to open the IntelliJ and I'm going to create a new project, Maven. Select the Maven, and you have to do anything else here unless you want to change your Java version, SDK version. You don't want to change. What is the default? Whatever you have it. So group ID Selenium for beginners. Okay. So basically I'm just following this one. Okay, I mean I just want to make sure that name convention is same as like a video, people can understand. So I'm going to keep the same artifact ID, or you can put the define if you want. Example, you can Selenium project, anyone, up to you. So next, and Selenium for beginners, finish. So this project already exists, or you want to overwrite it? Yes, because I did that before, that's why it's still in the cache in the what's called IntelliJ. That's why. So I'm going to put the yes. Well, this message I'm going to show to you guys. So now you're going to see here enable auto import or import changes. Now I want enable auto import. Whenever I change something, should be auto import. So I get auto import. Okay. Now again guys, you know how to create a now Selenium Maven project. Maven project. So now I create a Selenium bigger, and when you open it, you're going to see the main, which is Java here, test Java pom XML file, which is already by default is going to show like that based on your group ID name and epic name over here. And now external library, which is the Java 1.8. Remember when I select the change the name, they have one SDK. This is that library showing up. So that's it for today. Now you know how to create a Selenium, Maven Java project in IntelliJ. So next video will be soon. Talk to you soon, guys. Feel free to comment in the comment section, and if you like it, please press the like button and subscribe.